Good morning, this is Lee McMinn with Kessinger Real Estate. We're at 206 Wood Street in downtown Water Valley this morning. I'll show you this great listing. This neighborhood on Wood Street is really got some nice homes on it. You can see up to 360 here across the street. A little over a block from downtown Turner's Drug Store right there. You can see it. Walk up the street. We have this house was built in 1962. Has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,873 square feet. Heated, cool space. Again, architectural shingles, gutters. Got Anderson wood casement windows here on the front, as well as metal framed original casement windows. It just look great. They're so unique to this town. This one right here is a corner window, which you don't see. I don't know that I've ever seen one anywhere. There's 2 of those in this house. And again, here you are, 1 block from downtown. So we'll walk in, take a look. As we go up, this maintenance-free landscaping. Just nice little front porch here, just roomy enough for 2 or 3 chairs. We have a custom-made gas lantern front porch, wood ceilings on the front porch. Walk into the living room, and we have a gas fireplace feature in the corner. That is a vented gas fireplace. And here's that corner window. It's got great visibility of downtown. See a little bit of downtown there. Hardwood floors. Really look good. Got a kind of modern ceiling fan. Slick ceilings with can lights. And then there's the kitchen, dining area. This is an open area. There's the Anderson windows again. Walk over to this kitchen. And the black onyx solid surface tops. Subway tile backsplash. Really nice lighting. Can lights. Pendant lighting, new sink, everything's new. Stove, a Big Chill brand refrigerator. Don't see those every day. Also, Big Chill brand dishwasher. These cabinets are new. Again, hardwood floors in the kitchen. Really nice view at the kitchen sink. These are original windows, casements. There's the view back towards the living room. We have a pantry right here. It's not the kitchen. The little bar area here between the kitchen and the nice cabinets. We're going to walk in out of the living room into the hallway, and just across the hallway is a full bath. Subway tile, solid surface tops, new cabinetry, new fixtures, really nice tile floor. Here's the hallway going down to the 2 bedrooms. Have a nice pull down stair here in the hallway to access the attic for storage and maintenance. Nice little bedroom. This closet over there. Nice ceiling fan. Big window. Lots of light. Walk down the hallway. Again, the light is just perfect. We have the lights on, there's ceiling fan, but there's plenty of good natural light in these rooms with these big windows. Got a regular closet here. Nice wide door trim, crown molding all through. And by the way, these the furnishings in this house, most of these furnishings are available for purchase. So if you see anything in here that you wanted to have, it's available. So this is another bedroom here. They're using it as a game room. It's plenty big enough for a game room. See, that's a full-size pool table, plenty of walking around room. There's the other corner window in this house that looks out to the backyard and the patio. Just really, really nice feature. Good paint colors, crown molding, ceiling fan, slick ceilings, walk-in closet here. So this could be a bedroom. So we're gonna go back out of the hallway, back to the right to the master. There's another little utility closet right here off the kitchen. Could also serve as a pantry if you need some extra space. So we're going right here to the left. We have the master. Ceiling fan, wood ceilings in here. Nice size room, big windows, lots of natural light. Wood floors. Nice little nook there for a chest of drawers. And the barn door and the track. Nice feature. There's the door to the master bath, which has the oversized subway tile, accent strip, big deep tub, delta faucet, double vanity, solid surface of course, really nice looking tile floors, wood ceiling, crown molding. So we'll walk out of the master, going towards the backyard. We have the utility room right here inside the back door, which is really, really handy. And then walking out the back door onto the patio. Got a nice size covered space here. Plenty of room for entertaining. This summer it's really shady. Lots of nice trees, pecan trees, cherry tree, pear tree. Got some oaks on the outside. Nice fenced in backyard, nice flat yard, perfect for kids or add a pool later, having animals, anything, nice size. Property line actually goes beyond that fence both ways, goes down to the street that direction and just down the hill a little bit behind that fence. So we'll walk out here in the yard. Got a nice storage shed that goes with the house. That's new, it's less than a year old. So here's the back of the house. Again, architectural shingles, gutters all the way around. Here's that covered area, perfect for patio, grilling, entertaining. And right here, we have a portable building that the owners just installed recently as a carport and a workshop. And it has heating and cooling in that unit there in the window. Again, the maintenance-free landscaping. It's a really nice building. Nice side door. It's got a nice roll-up door inside, similar to what you would have in a garage or mini storage or something. Very nice. Got the rubber ramps to drive lawnmower or car in if you'd like. Here's the inside. It's unfinished. Of course, you could finish this if you wanted. Tool bench, got some LED lights, nice size. It's got a nice floor down in here. So we'll go out and go back out to the street. Lots of concrete parking. And here we are back to the front. Downtown Water Valley. And that is it. Come see this house.